Most people see a garden border as a simple line meant to keep the grass at bay. A senior designer recognizes it as a sharp architectural boundary that establishes the entire spatial logic of an outdoor room. Today, we are performing material alchemy on our perimeters. We are moving past the messy, unkempt edges that make yards feel small or plain, and revealing the structural logic behind high-definition garden border ideas, converting white river rocks, natural boulders, and modern farmhouse edging into an interconnected geometric skeleton that frames our spring planting. If you're ready to learn how to use crisp lines and stone landscaping to cheat the eyes and give your front or backyard an inviting, polished vibe that completely changes the look of your yard, your home. I'm Beki, and this is the Grand Landscape Revelation. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. Today is Sunday, June 7th, 2026. And we are executing the ultimate design reset to spruce up our outdoor spaces for the summer season. In 2026, premium curb appeal isn't achieved by cluttering your flower beds with plastic ornaments. It's the atmospheric curation of clean, stylish borders and low-maintenance stone features that make your garden stand out and stay organized. Whether you want a cozy, timeless farmhouse front yard or a cool modern hangout in the backyard to chill with friends and impress your neighbors, today we are combining beauty and practicality to achieve infinite volume. Let's step into the alchemy. The Grand Border System Revelation 1. The philosophy of the defined edge. In the world of Beki Decor, a garden without a clear edge is just a chaotic patch of dirt. This is where we initiate material alchemy. When you look across an outdoor space that feels messy, plain, or uninviting, the issue is almost never the flowers themselves. It is a total lack of structural boundaries. Your garden borders have the unique architectural power to completely change the look of your yard. In 2026, we focus heavily on the concept of the defined edge, to introduce immediate order and a polished vibe to our lawns and flower beds. Whether your lifestyle leans toward a highly structured, modern backyard layout or a loose, romantic farmhouse front yard, a crisp perimeter creates a sharp definition. It makes your garden stand out, stays beautifully organized, and tells the eye exactly where the wild beauty of nature ends and the deliberate intent of the designer begins. It is an easy, highly satisfying update that turns any plain lawn into a stunning retreat. Two. Modern white rock landscaping, illuminating the perimeter, to bring a fresh, modern vibe to your outdoor space with barely any effort. We turn to the brilliant contrast of white rock landscaping. Most backyards suffer from a lack of visual light along their lower perimeters, especially beneath dense shrubbery or along dark fence lines. By introducing a clean bed of white rocks as your border foundation, you create an instant reflection zone. This is true luminous integrity on the earth. White rocks highlight pathways, set up peaceful corners, and give your outdoor areas a bright, immaculate look that catches the eye from across the property. Under the afternoon sun or our low-voltage evening spotlights, the white stone bounces light back up into the green undersides of your perennials. It acts as a stunning, low-maintenance frame that accentuates your plant combinations, proving that a smart material choice can effortlessly elevate your entire home's exterior appeal. Three. Creative rock landscaping. Layering scales for tactile integrity. When designing a garden border with stone, you must look past uniform, boring gravel. To achieve true tactile integrity, you need to mix sizes, shapes, and textures to build creative rock features. We engineer our border systems using an integrated mix of fine gravel, smoothed river stones, and large, heavy boulders. This creates a beautiful, eye-catching feature that complements your garden's natural beauty. Instead of fighting it, use the smaller gravel to form a clean, weed-blocking edge along the grass, and then strategically embed large, weathered boulders directly into the flower bed curves. This gives your border the physical weight and permanence of a natural rock garden or a dry creek bed. By varying the scale of your stones, you establish deep structural layers that completely transform your yard into something uniquely artistic, striking, and incredibly simple to look after. 4. Farmhouse landscaping. Warmth, timelessness, and practicality. If you want your front yard or porch area to feel instantly warm, cozy, and timeless, classic farmhouse landscaping is a solid pick. Farmhouse design is rooted in the beautiful balance of aesthetics and practicality. It doesn't matter if you love digging in the dirt for hours, or if you want something super easy to maintain. The farmhouse layout matches your life and what you like. We build our farmhouse borders using thick, reclaimed timber beams or hand-laid rustic stone bricks that match the architectural history of the home. Inside these borders, we pair soft, flowing annuals with hardy, structured perennials. The rigid, clean lines of the edging keep the loose, breezy cottage-style flowers perfectly contained, ensuring the front yard looks tidy and intentional rather than overgrown. This easy update drastically boosts your curb appeal, making your entryway feel incredibly welcoming to every guest who steps onto your property. Thank you for joining me for this grand landscape reveal. My deepest prayer for you today is that you stop letting your outdoor spaces drift into clutter or plainness. Grab a shovel, pick out a beautiful stone palette or a timeless timber edge, and start carving out those clean, stylish borders that give your yard its finished touch. If you've freshed up your yard or tried any of these rock landscaping ideas this weekend, drop a comment below. I want to see your beautiful retreats come together. Hit that subscribe button to join our community of mindful creators, and I'll see you this coming Tuesday for our next design deep dive. Stay grounded in the light. Remember, your yard is an open canvas waiting for the structural lines that give it life. Don't be afraid to experiment, to brighten up your dark corners with clean stones, and to build an inspired outdoor area that holds your peace with you. Use your hands, honor the earth, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Keep engineering your sanctuary.